the chief guest, Minister for Employment, Productivity, Industry. Class prefect, Fanelele Iwasa.
As the head teacher has stated earlier on, that I was here in 2017 for the school program, and I didn't realize that after the program I will be asked to see if we can do something for the roads. But I did assure that we will upgrade the roads. This time around, when the invitation was extended to me, I thought that there is no string attached to it. But I've just heard the head teacher requesting for a multi-purpose court. I want to assure the school management that we will definitely look into it. The president and the manager of the school, board members, the head teacher and the teachers of Votualevu Public School, parents, students, and friends. At the outset, I would like to thank the students, teachers, and the management for a warm welcome. Thank you so much. And I'd also like all of us to put our hands together for the great win by our Fijian. Can we all put our hands together? I'm indeed honored to be here this morning as your chief guest to officiate at your induction as leaders of your institution. And as the Minister for Employment, Industrial Relations and Productivity, Youth and Sports, young people and education are very close to my heart. Today is a big day for our student leaders. I'd also like to commend the school management and the teachers for appointing environment leaders as well. When I was mayor of Bala and later on to Lotoka, Nadi and Tavua, I have always said that we need to keep our towns and cities neat and tidy at all times. We need to have that civic pride. And this morning, I would like to urge all of you to keep your school compound neat and tidy at all times. Have pride for your school. And the best way to have that pride is to keep the school compound neat and tidy at all times. Not when any vista comes, but at all times. You will all become the cornerstone of the student body for 2022, and will really have to set the very best example in all that you do throughout the year. Today begins a new chapter in your leadership journey as young men and women of this establishment. So I take this opportunity to congratulate you all. But let me also say that you all are leaders in your own right. But there has to be someone to lead you. And that's why some of you will be appointed as class leaders, environment leaders, but you need to make sure that you give all the support to your leader throughout the year. You can appoint leaders, but if you don't support, then it's no point. So I want to urge all of you, please make sure that you support, give full support to your respective leaders. I have the good fortune of meeting and contributing to the holistic development of our young Fijians, regardless of their locality, ethnicity, culture, and social standing, through the work that I and my ministry do. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Youth and Sports shares this proud moment with all of you. As mentioned earlier on by the Master of Ceremonies, a year ago, this meeting was impossible as Fiji and the world navigated our recovery path from the impacts of COVID-19. Today we are all very grateful that we are slowly moving back to the normal days that we enjoyed previously. Ladies and gentlemen, the award, apart from the award or the induction ceremony that you have here this morning, I just want to share with all of you about the DEAR program that is managed by my ministry. The program consists of building lifelong skill in students such as teamwork and leadership, decision making and problem solving, unity and diversity, creating new opportunities, community service. These are all under the DEAR program. And I would like to urge the teachers and the parents to encourage the students to take part in this program. But when we talk about leadership, leadership comes with responsibility. You have to be sincere, you have to be honest at all times. If you can do it now at this young age, I can tell you without any hesitation that you will become a good leader for this nation as well. Who knows that there may be Prime Minister or Attorney General or Minister sitting here? Who knows that? But a day will come, if you can start that journey or the path now, you can be ministers. When I see all of you sitting like this, I remember my days. We were not having the prefect induction ceremony, or we used to only have awards day and night, but we used to sit like this as well. And at that point in time, as a young man, there were a lot of things coming to our mind as well. We used to wonder, we used to admire those who come as a guest, used to speak. And after the function, with friends, we used to talk, hey, one day we should be like that as well. So you need to have that vision. Don't think that you are too young to think about that. No. That thinking should start now. What you want to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, once again, thank you very much for the invitation. But before I take my seat, I would like to share this with the leaders elect, that as leaders of the school, you are now the role models. The badge which will be given to you today must serve as a daily reminder of the task and responsibility that you have each been entrusted with. I have no doubt that you will carry out your duties and obligations to the best of your abilities. I used to say this during my mayorship. During the mayor time, we used to wear the mayoral chain. And I used to go out and say that this chain comes with responsibility. And this morning I want to say this to you once again. Why I am saying this time and again, because I want to all of you to understand the responsibility. And the best that will be given to you today comes with responsibility. No favoritism. Be honest and sincere at all times. Concentrate on your studies as well, and doing so, contribute to your own personal development and the development of society as a whole. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the parents and the teachers as well. It is very important for us to acknowledge at all times the teachers and the parents, because you all play a very important role in the development of our children. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, and may God bless us all. Vinaka.
In our hands and welcome our guest of honor today. Thank you.
Prefects of Year 102, Class Prefect Elizabeth. Health Promoting Officer. Health Promoting Officer, Kino Paul. Environment Officer, Chibikara.